Hello, children. Today we will draw and learn English. Let's draw Molang. What is this? Molang's right eye. Now, Molang's left eye. Left eye. Molang's nose. Small nose. Molang's head. Big head. Molang's right ear. Right ear. Molang's left ear. Left ear. Molang's left arm. Left arm. Molang's right arm. Right arm. Molang's left leg. Left leg. Molang's right leg. Right leg. Molang's right cheek. Pink cheek. Molang's left cheek. Pink cheek. Well done! This is Molang. Don't forget to check my Draw and Learn English playlist. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.